Everyone talks about Web3 and AI, but where do all those massive data sets actually live? What if the storage layer of the internet was open, decentralized, and permanent? None of this is financial advice, but let's dive in to Filecoin. So here we are on Filecoin, and if you don't know what Filecoin is, it's the decentralized backbone of storing data across Web3 and AI projects. It provides verifiable, cost-efficient storage for anyone building in crypto, research, or machine learning. In short, it basically uses the blockchain to store data in a decentralized way, so anyone can pull that data from the blockchain in a way that isn't centralized or monopolized like we see with big tech. This could be great for podcasts, DApp websites, personal files, etc. Now, for developers, they can deploy decentralized apps that rely on Filecoin to store and retrieve user data automatically. The infrastructure they've set up here is truly one of a kind, and it really does raise the bar for blockchain storage as a whole. It integrates with IPFS, giving dApps permanent content addressed storage that they can pull at any time. And because this is on the blockchain and decentralized, if one node goes down, then another node can fill that gap because it is a huge network. Whereas if you were using some storage on, say, I don't know, Google Cloud or something like this, if their servers went down at any point, there would be no way to receive that file, and everyone that's connected to that could be affected. This basically just solves that as a whole. Want to dominate your niche and flood your inbox with leads? Here's YTRanker to help you build the right strategy and make it happen. First, let's open up an incognito window to keep everything fresh. This will ensure there's no history or cookies and will ensure unbiased results. Next, we're going to open up YouTube like you can see here. We're going to click on these three dots and we're going to see that yes, the language is English and the location is set to the United States. Now I'm going to search Saxo Broker as our keywords, and we're just going to press enter and see what comes up. As you can see, the first result here is my video, in fact, about Saxo Broker. And because of this strategy, we're ranked directly at the top of YouTube. So this just goes to show the strategy works, and you can actually go and test this yourself. So enough waiting. If you're serious about leads and niche power, head to ytranker.net today and make it happen. Let's get back to the video. This helps eliminate single points of failure and ensures true data ownership. Now, if you're an AI team, stick around because this is where it gets cool. AI teams can store large-scale datasets securely for model training. Filecoin's distributed structure reduces cost while increasing redundancy. The network basically just uses cryptographic proofs to verify that data remains untouched and accessible over time. So even though it is accessible through this massive network, you're not actually losing any kind of privacy or have any big problems when it comes to cybersecurity because it's all cryptographic and using blockchain. Filecoin also powers compute over data, enabling on-chain processing without moving massive data sets. It's already being used in projects that handle climate data, open science archives, and decentralized research. Now, all of this is powered by file tokens that make the system self-sustaining. This rewards both storage and compute providers across the board. So as an economy, Filecoin is at the center here. Really, really cool project, and the infrastructure surrounding it really does innovate on the traditional ways that people store data. And it's also worth noting that Filecoin's network capacity now spans exabytes of storage worldwide. Its open source ecosystem supports everything from data DAOs to decentralized compute frameworks, making it a foundation for the next generation of the internet. So if you're building in AI, Web3, or research, this is the infrastructure layer that keeps your data secure, open, and verifiable. Explore Filecoin and see what decentralized cloud really looks like. That's going to be it from me. Have a fantastic day. I will see you in the next one.